Hi there, and thank you for your question. So what we're looking at is cubing the expression x plus 7. Now, one of the things that you can do is you can parse it out and do the multiplication of x plus 7 times x plus 7, where you multiply everything within, figure that out, and then once you get that answer, then multiply again by the expression x plus 7. But this is going to take you a long time. So as you had mentioned, you can use the formula instead that x plus 7 all cubed is going to follow the formula that is this, and this is in your textbook. So this is the formula, and that is found on page 69 of section P.5. So how do you apply this formula to something like this? Well, first you have to recognize that A in this formula is going to be your x value, and B in this formula is going to be the number 7. So when I do this out, A to the power of 3 becomes x to the power of 3, and then this will be x squared times 7 for the B. I like to keep that in parentheses so that I know that that stays together. And then 3a would become the x, and now we are squaring our B, which is our 7, so it looks like that. And then lastly, B cubed, like that. So that's the first step, is just converting your A's and B's to your values in the expression. Now what I need to do is I need to simplify this expression. So x to the cube stays that way. 3 times 7 gives me 21x squared plus 3x times 7 squared is 49, so I'm going to leave that like that. And then 7 cubed is 343. So a little bit more simplified in this step. I can simplify this down a little bit more. So I'll just rewrite this part of the equation first. And then 3 times 49 gives me 147x plus 343. So there I've gotten rid of my parentheses to get this expression. And now I'm just going to look and see if I have any like terms. X cubed, x squared, x. Nope, no like terms. So that's as far as I can go in terms of working out x plus 7 all cubed. So I hope that helps in how to rewrite using this formula, and thanks for your question. Bye for now.